Hello beautiful community. The boys are on school holidays at the moment, and the youngest child thought it would be a great idea to have a stall at a local farmers market. William has been involved in a school project that raises money to improve the education of kids in Timor-Leste, a country just north of Australia. Their initial idea was to sell cookies at the farmers market, but they found that they needed permits and certificates and all sorts of things to sell food, and so I offered the wood pieces that I had packed away. I didn't realise how many pieces there was until we started bringing them out. So William and his friends spent half the day trying to sell my works of art. They sold some items, and of course they made 100% profit. Surprisingly, they had inquiries for Christmas ornaments, which I had left at home thinking it was too early to sell Christmas related items. So in this video I make a few snowmen. They don't take long to make and can sit on a table or mantelpiece or hang from the Christmas tree. At the market, William sold a few of the leaves and gum nuts that I had. The leaves are curled from hewn pine and the gum nuts are turned using elm wood. It's a striking contrast between the lighter coloured hewn pine and the darker elm wood. It would take me under an hour to carve the leaf and about 5 minutes to turn the gum nut. So basically it was about 1 hour to produce a leaf and a nut. Anyway, William sold 3 of these for $18 and was very proud of himself. I didn't have the heart to tell him that he had just reduced my hourly rate to $6. Anyway, I digress. Back to the snowmen. These were turned using cypress pine. The pine was originally sourced from the local hardware in the form of square posts. And once I started turning them, it was amazing how often they started to crack and split. I ended up applying CA glue to the splits and left them on the shelf in the shed where they've settled down nicely. Now when I turn them, as in the case turning the pine into snowmen, there is virtually no splitting or cracking. The snowmen looked a bit naked just by themselves, and so I collected some dead branches off the birch trees just outside the shed and used them for the nose and the 2 arms. I didn't apply any finish to the snowmen, thinking that whoever gets them may paint or decorate them to their liking. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.